ANAS popcorn, the premium popcorn of the century. Looking for the perfect snack to brighten your day? Whether you're chilling at home, watching a movie, studying, or just craving something irresistible, ANAS popcorn is here to deliver the crunch and flavor you deserve. What makes ANAS popcorn special? Premium quality ingredients. Bold, unforgettable flavors. Perfectly coated for maximum taste in every bite. A snack loved by all ages. Choose your favorite flavor, if you can. Classic caramel, sweet, golden perfection that never goes out of style. Gula Apong, a taste of tradition with Sarawak's iconic palm sugar. Salted egg, savory, creamy, and totally addictive. Premium cheese, rich, cheesy goodness that melts in your mouth. Introducing the new flavor, Rumpai Laut. The wait is over, ANAS popcorn just got even more exciting. Say hello to our latest premium flavor, Rumpai Laut. Fresh, savory, and full of umami goodness, this flavor takes your snacking to the next level. Each crunchy bite is coated with the rich taste of seaweed, giving you that addictive balance of salty, savory, and crispy. Perfect for those who love a savory twist to their snacks. Crave something different from the ordinary. Can't resist the taste of the ocean's natural umami. With Rumpai Laut, every handful feels like a fresh breeze by the seaside. Once you start, you can't stop. No wonder it's called the popcorn terstapa bodini. Available now in resealable packs, perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. Grab yours today and taste why everyone is talking about ANAS popcorn.